So in this video, we are going to install Atlas OS, a lightweight Windows mod built for gamers. It removes bloatware, cuts background tasks, and tweaks power settings for better performance and lower latency. In this video, we are going to do a fresh dual boot install on a separate disk, and in the next video, we'll test its gaming performance side by side with the original Windows. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss it. We'll start by going to atlasos.net and clicking on Get Started. Next, click on Installation Guide. The prerequisites are simple. You can even install Atlas OS on Windows 10, which is great for older unsupported PCs. Since we have a compatible PC and want a fresh Atlas OS setup, we'll download the Windows 11 ISO by choosing the correct language. The ISO file will take some time to download. While it's downloading, let's go back to the Atlas OS website. Head to step 3, click on USB drive, and then select Ventoy. We'll grab the latest version of Ventoy. Basically, it's a lightweight tool that helps us boot multiple ISOs from a single USB. Once downloaded, open Ventoy and extract the contents anywhere you like. After extraction, run the file named ventoy2 disk executable to begin the setup. Make sure an 8GB or larger USB drive is plugged in. Then click Install to format and set up Ventoy. Next, copy your downloaded ISO file into the Ventoy USB. Disconnect any internet cables like Ethernet and don't reconnect until told. Finally, restart your PC. Open the BIOS boot menu and select the USB drive. The first time you boot, you may see a security violation error. To fix it, press Enter to load Mock Manager, then any key to begin key management. Select Enroll key from disk, open V2iGFE, and choose Enroll disk key in Mock Manager.Surrey. Then pick Continue, select Yes and reboot. Boot from the USB again and the issue should be gone. After booting into the Ventoy menu, use the arrow keys to select the Windows ISO, press Enter, choose Boot in normal mode and press Enter again. In Windows Setup, click Next twice, then Install Now. Select I don't have a product key. Windows will activate later. Choose your edition, select Windows 11 Pro and click Next to accept the license. Since this is a dual boot tutorial, we'll wipe our secondary SATA drive completely. You can identify drives by their total size. Select the spare disk partition and click Delete. Now select it again, click Create Partition. Then choose the unallocated space and press Next. Finally, click Install to begin Windows setup and wait while Windows installs. After setup finishes and the PC reboots, you'll see the Windows boot menu with two versions. The first is your old Windows and the second is where we'll set up Atlas OS. Boot into each if needed to confirm. Mine is the second. Continue setup. Choose language and keyboard. Then press Shift F10 to open command prompt. Type start ms-cxh local only. Press Enter, set username, password, and security questions. Finally, deny all privacy options and click Accept. Once installation is complete, your PC will boot into a fresh copy of Windows 11. Head over to atlasos.net, click Get Started, and this time choose I'm following this guide. Download both the Atlas Playbook and ME Wizard. While they're downloading, open Microsoft Store and update all apps. Then go to Settings, run or resume Windows Update, and once everything is finished, restart your PC. Back on the desktop, open Downloads, and locate the Atlas OS playbook file. Extract it to the desktop. Run the file called Disable Automatic Driver Updates to turn off driver updates. Next, extract the AME Wizard folder to the desktop. Run AME Wizard, click Install to update it, then drag the Atlas playbook file onto the wizard. Finally, disable Windows Defender as shown. After disabling Windows Defender, close the window and click Next twice to run the wizard and accept the license. In Select Options, leave Defender and Windows Mitigations enabled for security. Keep Windows Update, Hibernation, Power Savings, and Core Isolation disabled. Remove Microsoft Edge and install another browser. I'm choosing Brave as default. Click OK. Then next to begin Atlas OS installation. It'll take some time and restart your PC. On reboot, the Windows Boot Manager now shows Atlas OS 11 alongside my original Windows 11. Booting into Atlas OS feels super fast, the response is smooth, and CPU and memory usage stay low, though OBS recording makes CPU look moderate. In the next video, we'll optimize Atlas OS further and test gaming performance side by side with Windows. So make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.